The Toyota Rewards Visa credit card is a financial tool specifically designed for those who find themselves frequently visiting the dealership for maintenance or parts. At the very core of this card is a heavy emphasis on brand loyalty, which is reflected in its primary earning structure. The most significant fact about this card is the 5 points per $1 spent at participating Toyota dealerships. This is an exceptionally high earn rate for dealership services, parts, and accessories, which can be a major relief when facing expensive car repairs or routine maintenance. Beyond the dealership, the card offers 2 points per $1 spent on gas, dining, and entertainment. These are solid everyday categories that cover a significant portion of an average monthly budget, allowing points to accumulate even during weeks when the car is running perfectly. For all other non-category purchases, the card earns 1 point per $1 spent. Because it is a Visa, it carries the benefit of being accepted at millions of locations worldwide. There is also an attainable sign-up bonus where a new cardholder can earn 5,000 points after spending $500 outside of Toyota dealerships within the first 90 days of account opening. This low barrier to entry makes the initial bonus very accessible for most people. When looking at the utility of this card, the versatility of redemption is a strong point. While some store-branded cards lock users into a very narrow set of choices, this card allows points to be redeemed for Toyota service, parts, accessories, or even toward the purchase or lease of a new Toyota vehicle. It also covers Toyota protection products. For those who want more flexibility, points can be used for gift cards, travel experiences, or even cashback in the form of a statement credit. However, it is important to consider the potential drawbacks that come with such a niche product. One major hurdle is the restricted earnings on the high-value category. To get those 5 points per dollar, the specific dealership must participate in the Toyota Rewards Visa credit card program. If a local dealer does not participate, the earnings drop to a standard 1 point per dollar even on very expensive repairs, which effectively removes the card's biggest selling point. Additionally, the 2 points per dollar categories are highly dependent on merchant category codes. If a restaurant is located inside a hotel or a gas station is classified as a superstore by the bank, the transaction might only earn 1 point per dollar instead of 2. From an objective perspective, the welcome offer of 5,000 points is relatively small when compared to general market travel or cashback credit cards, which often provide bonuses valued at $150 to $200 for similar spending requirements. There is also a significant brand tie in risk. The maximum value of this card is locked into the Toyota ecosystem. If a driver decides to trade in their Toyota for a different vehicle brand, in a few years the accumulated points become significantly less valuable or much harder to use efficiently. Regarding the financial specifics, it is noted that this card is issued by Comenity Capital Bank and is subject to credit approval. While the provided information does not list specific annual percentage rate percentages, these are typically determined based on an individual's creditworthiness at the time of application. There is no mention of an annual percentage yield, as this is a credit product rather than a savings or investment account. This card is likely a great fit for a true Toyota loyalist who plans on owning or leasing these vehicles for the foreseeable future and consistently uses the dealership for scheduled maintenance. It is particularly useful if someone is facing a large repair bill of $1,000 or more at a participating dealer, as charging that amount would net 5,000 points immediately. It serves well as a no-fee brand card for someone wanting to reward their driving and dining lifestyle while helping pay for car upkeep. On the other hand, it is probably not the right choice for those who prefer using independent mechanics or those who want a flat-rate cashback card that offers high rewards on every single purchase regardless of the category. In summary, the Toyota Rewards Visa credit card offers a powerful 5 times multiplier at participating dealerships and a decent 2 times multiplier on gas and dining, making it a specialized tool for reducing the cost of vehicle ownership. However, the risks involve the limited value of the sign-up bonus compared to the broader market and the heavy reliance on merchant classification for points. There is also the risk of point devaluation if the user switches to a different car brand. The ultimate value depends entirely on staying within the Toyota service network and ensuring the specific dealership participates in the rewards program. This card is a niche tool that rewards a specific type of consumer behavior but lacks the broad flexibility and high-value bonuses found in more general financial products. One must weigh the benefit of specific dealership rewards against the limitations of a brand-locked ecosystem.